Welcome to Lulu La Vida, and today we're gonna fix something really simple, less than 30 minutes. It's a tortellini pasta, and here are the ingredients. As you can see, I already have the pasta. This is that I have. I was gonna do the organic marinara, but you know what? I chose not to, opted not to do it. So we did cherry tomatoes. We did some basil. We have our minced garlic here, and then I have my olive oil and Parmesan cheese. I wish I had the whole grated one that I grate myself, but we're omitting the marinara sauce, okay, guys? So this is the ingredients, and we already have our pot with water. I season the water with salt, and I'm gonna wait till it starts to simmer. You know, a little boiling water. That's when we're gonna add our pasta. For the tortellini, I would say 12 minutes, so it could be al dente. So let's make some garlic bread while that starts boiling. So I have this that I bought, and I'm gonna make my own butter. Now, one thing is, this bread, I really like it. You can do it for, you know, with butter and things like that, but I'm gonna make my own garlic butter. And these are the ingredients. So it's butter, not margarine, real butter, okay? It makes a difference. So we have it room temperature, and then we're gonna mash it up, and we're gonna add our Italian seasoning, and we're gonna add garlic powder, and that's all we do. So we make our own garlic butter. It's kind of like our garlic spread. Okay, we're gonna slice the bread in half, and we're gonna put it on the griddle, and we're gonna toast it. It's gonna be delicious. Just to add to the pasta, and a salad, a green salad. What do you guys think? Let's try it, right? So what we're gonna do next here is we're gonna go ahead and I forgot, we have red pepper, okay? So I always like to have a little kick to my pasta. So let's do the butter now since we got time. So here's the butter. See, I mashed it up. I did the Italian seasoning and the garlic powder. That's all you need. And now we added our pasta, and we're gonna go ahead and put our timer to 12 minutes. It's We want it al dente because after this, when you drain it, you're still gonna cook it a little bit on the skillet. But remember, never drain your water completely because that water has a lot of flavor. So if your pasta, you need a little bit of broth, you can always use this water. So always leave some to the side, at least 1 cup or half a cup minimum. Here's our bread. Look, it's toasty and it's garlicky and it smells really good. Can't wait to try this. So I think our pasta is ready. So let's drain this up and get started. Now remember, we took away the marinara sauce, right? So we got our tomatoes, our basil, and stuff. So we just make a quick, simple pasta with our olive oil because I think that's one of the keys. A good olive oil. Okay, so we got our saute pan and it's already hot. And here's the ingredients. We're gonna do Italian season, cherry tomatoes, crushed pepper, our pasta, basil. Okay, and then our good olive oil, and I have my minced garlic. So let's put our olive oil. I love this one. I got it at Valle de Guadalupe in Baja California, and I think I finished up my bottle, so I'm gonna have to go have a reason to travel and go over there, get some wine and more olive oil because it's delicious. So here you can see the skillet is hot, and we're gonna incorporate. The first thing we're gonna add is our minced garlic. We're gonna go ahead and make sure that that's what's gonna, develop that flavor. It's gonna open up that flavor, and then after that we'll add our cherry tomato. So here we go, guys. We're gonna go ahead and look at this garlic bread. It's ready to eat. So now we're gonna add our minced garlic. Here we go. It's hot. We just, keep turning it around because we don't want it to burn, and we're going to incorporate our tomato. It's basically simple. It's just adding the ingredients to your skillet. So here's our tomato. Now we want to season. Remember, Lulu seasoning. I'm going to start bottling this and selling it, which is salt, pepper, and powdered garlic, because we love garlic, especially in Italian food. Actually, in any food, garlic is just the one of the main seasonings. And here we adding Italian seasoning. Okay, this has oregano. It's got oregano, and here we have the red crushed pepper. So we have everything we need, and now we're gonna go ahead and incorporate our pasta, our tortellini 3 cheese pasta, and we're just gonna toss it around and we add the basil. That's the last thing we add. And then the cheese you add it as you plate it, but right now, see, it's only going to be a couple of minutes, and you can see the seasoning. The pepper is already in there. Our bread's done. We're just going to fix our salad with some Italian dressing, and it's a simple dinner recipe. So can we plate it up, guys? Let's try it. So here we go, and let's just add some Parmesan cheese. I hope you guys like this recipe. Well, thank you guys. I hope you leave a comment. Till next time.